Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Matina. This screencast will show you how to add a new location into your tour for Tour Builder. So after you set up your introduction slide, you have a blue button here on the left side that says Add Location. You can simply click on that button, and now you will see that a new slide will show up in the first panel, and it's prompted me here to search for a location in the middle of the screen. So I can simply start typing in a location. So for this example, I'm going to type in Galloway Township Middle School. And you can see here it shows up in the search results. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see that the map automatically zooms in to that location. At this point here, I want to add this location to my tour. So I simply click on this blue Add to Tour button. And now my place mark has been added to my map, and I am being prompted here in the middle for information. So the location name, I'm going to, I can leave it for this example, I'm going to leave it as Galloway Township Middle School, but you need to check your directions in your assignment for the entry that you need to enter in here. For this example here, I'm going to leave it as Galloway Township Middle School as the location name. The next part here is allowing me to add photos and videos, and I can add up to 25 images or videos just for this location in this part. So I'm going to click on this link, and I can add images from my photo albums, from my YouTube channel. I can upload images from my device. I can upload images from my device, or excuse me, I can upload videos from my device. If I click more, I can take a snapshot. I can search for images via Google. I can search for YouTube videos. I can search images by the URL, and I can search for videos by URL. So for this example, I'm going to click on Upload Photos, and I'm going to upload an image that I have down on my Chromebook. And this image is a picture of the Galloway Township Middle School. I'm going to click on it. Oops, didn't want to rotate it. I'm actually going to click on it, and I'm going to select it. And you can see that it added the image right into my story. I can also delete the image if I didn't want the image anymore. I can edit the caption, or I can add more images or videos. So for this example, I'm going to click the plus sign, and I'm going to click more, and I'm going to search YouTube. And here I'm going to type in Galloway Township. And I'm hoping that I find a nice video about Galloway Township. And we can put this one in here about the fire department. And now you can see here that the video has been added into my um, area here where the photos and the videos are. I have 2 of 2. I can scroll through my images or my objects here to see what I have. And like I said, I can delete the video, or I can add a new one, or I can edit the caption. I'm going to delete this video just to show you, and now I just have the picture. The next area is, if you scroll down, is a date range. So you can enter a date range. You would hear in this area, the introduction is basically the information that you're going to take from your Google slide template. You're going to copy that information from your Google slide template, and you're going to paste it right in here. So this is the area where you would type your summary about the location. And you already did this. It's already in your Google slide template. You can also insert a link to a different website or a video or an image in here as well. You can change the location icon by clicking on this link, and you can see all of the different icons here that you can add. And if you want to get fancy, you can even add your own custom icon image there. So I am going to change it to a blue place mark. And that's basically it. So that's how you add a location into your tour.